Each of Zeeco's 7 in-house manufacturing facilities is equipped with state-of-the-art fabrication capabilities and complies with the local and international standards, codes, and approvals necessary to serve our customers. We positioned each plant strategically to support more than 25 Zeeco locations worldwide and ensure rapid response and delivery to our global customer base.
Are peerless in our industry as the only full-scale combustion company with global in-house manufacturing capabilities, including heavy fabrication. With 7 full-scale manufacturing facilities worldwide, we've executed more than 50,000 projects and maintained a world-class HSE management system, zero escape quality control program, and zero incident safety culture. We meticulously source material and ensure each facility remains in compliance with local and international standards, codes, and approvals. For more information about Zeeco's manufacturing capabilities, contact your local Zeeco representative.